In crypto world, many people think there is only one way to make money by speculating the market through crypto trading. But in crypto, there are so many ways to make money. In this video, I will talk about one of the best passive income method named crypto mining. We'll walk you through the entire process and how you can make money out of it. There's a common misconception that to build a mining setup there is a huge investment. But in this video, I will discuss a way. Even if you have a laptop or some graphics card, you can make a small side hustle. So without any delay, let's get started. So, to start with the basics, what exactly is crypto mining? Well, let's break it down. Imagine you're in a super secret club and you want to keep a record of all the cool things that happen in the club. But instead of using a regular notebook, you use a super secure digital ledger called the blockchain. Crypto mining is like being the guardian of this special ledger. Miners are like computer superheroes who verify and record transactions in this ledger. They're not using capes, they're using powerful computers. These computers solve tricky math problems, and when they solve them, they add a new page to the ledger. That's a block, and it's filled with new transactions. Here's the magical part. For all their hard work, miners get rewarded with shiny new cryptocurrency coins. It's like finding treasure every time they solve a problem and add a block to the ledger. This not only keeps the ledger safe and accurate, but also creates new cryptocurrency coins, which is how miners make money. So in simple terms, crypto mining is the process of verifying and adding transactions to the blockchain using powerful computers. Now you have an idea about what crypto mining is all about. You might be thinking, how can I get in on this action? To start mining, you need some special gear. Think of it like this. If crypto mining were a sport, these machines would be your equipment. These machines are usually called ASICs or GPUs, but don't let the fancy names scare you. They're just powerful computers designed for mining. But here's the catch. Running these machines can cost you a pretty expensive, especially in electricity bills. And not everyone has the space or resources for a big mining setup. So, before you jump in headfirst, you've got to do your homework. Figure out if you can afford the setup, the electricity, and the cooling to keep those machines from overheating. It's kind of like starting a small business, and you need to make sure it makes sense for you. Remember, while crypto mining can be profitable, it's not a guaranteed gold rush. Sometimes it takes a bit of time and patience to see results. Okay, so you've learned about crypto mining, and you might be thinking, setting up all those machines and paying those bills doesn't sound easy. Well, there's a way to make your mining journey a whole lot smoother and more profitable, and it's called a mining pool. Think of a mining pool like a team of miners working together to find treasure. Instead of going solo and competing against other miners, you join forces with others. Here's how it works. A bunch of miners combine their computer power to increase their chances of solving the math problems and getting rewards. When your mining pool successfully adds a new block to the blockchain, the rewards are distributed among all the members based on their contribution. This means you get a more steady and predictable income compared to going solo. Joining a mining pool is like being part of a team where everyone shares the rewards. It's perfect if you don't have a massive mining setup or if you're just starting out. The best mining pool in this category is ViaBTC. The reason why I choose ViaBTC is that they're one of the most simplistic and easiest to use mining pools out there. ViaBTC was founded in May 2016 and is not your average blockchain service provider. They've built their reputation on a strong foundation of innovation, extensive investments, and a commitment to secure and reliable products. With a global user base across 130 plus countries and regions, they've certainly made their mark in the industry. They also have other features like auto withdrawal. Now, I will show you how you can sign up on ViaBTC website and start your crypto mining journey. I'm here at their official website, ViaBTC.com. To register your account, click on Sign Up. The link to the website is available in the description. First, you need to add your email address. Then click on Get Code. A 6-digit code will be received on your email. Once your account is set up, you need to select a unique username. Make sure to pick something memorable, and then add your password. Now, let's explore the dashboard. This is your control center, where you can monitor everything. You'll see your hash rates displayed prominently. These are crucial as they represent your mining power. This feature is unique and very helpful in managing your mining activities. Another important aspect of the dashboard is your earnings section. The dashboard also allows you to deposit and withdraw various cryptocurrencies, a flexibility that's quite beneficial. One of the best things about ViaBTC is they have multiple tools that help to evaluate which mining pool will be most profitable. First, ViaBTC Mining Profit Rankings page is a tool designed for cryptocurrency miners and provides a ranking system to compare the profitability of various mining operations. This tool is beneficial for miners looking to evaluate different cryptocurrencies, mining pools, or strategies based on profitability. Moreover, ViaBTC launched a mining machine profit ranking list and profit calculator tools, making it convenient for miners and investors to understand the first-hand income situations of various GPU and ASC mining machines. The ViaBTC Mining Profit Calculator is a tool designed for cryptocurrency miners. It allows users to calculate estimated daily yields for various cryptocurrencies like BTC, BCH, LTC, and more. The calculator requires input of factors such as coin type, difficulty, PPS fee rate, and valid hash rate. It then provides an estimated daily yield in BTC and its equivalent in USD. This tool seems useful for miners to assess the profitability of their mining operations based on current market conditions and their mining capabilities. Next, let's talk about how you can set up your mining machine. For this example, let's select the Antminer S9. A popular choice. Configuring it is straightforward. Go to Settings, copy the pool's URL and port, and input them into your Antminer S9's application. Remember to update the worker's name to your account name. The final step is setting up your withdrawal address. This is where you'll receive your mined cryptocurrency. First, add an auto-withdraw address from your preferred wallet. This feature is unique to ViaBTC and not commonly found in other mining pools. ViaBTC supports multiple payment methods, including PPS Plus, PPLNS, and Solo, which means lower transaction fees and ultimately higher mining profits. What I really like is that ViaBTC isn't just a mining pool, it's an entire ecosystem. That's a short review about crypto mining. I hope you understand the concept and what's the best option for you. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.